Welcome back to hsebox.com. In this toolbox we will talk about excavation hazardous atmosphere. One hazard associated with excavation and trenching is the possible presence of hazardous atmosphere. A hazardous atmosphere is an atmosphere that by reason of being explosive, flammable, poisonous, corrosive, oxidizing, irritating, oxygen deficient, toxic, or otherwise harmful may cause death, illness, or injury to persons exposed to it. In excavation work, hazardous atmospheres may be generated as toxic gases and can be released by the digging or accumulate at the bottom of the trench. To help ensure exposure to hazardous atmospheres, take these steps. Ensure that the competent person tests the atmosphere in excavations over 4 feet deep, 1.2 meters. If a hazardous atmosphere exists or could reasonably be expected to exist. A hazardous atmosphere could be expected, for example, in excavations in landfill areas, in excavations in areas where hazardous substances are stored nearby, or in excavations near or containing gas pipelines. Conduct testing for atmospheric contaminants before employees enter the trench and on a regular basis to ensure that the trench remains safe. Increase the frequency of testing if equipment is operating in the trench or if welding, cutting, or burning is done in the trench. These operations, too, can generate toxic fumes. Take precautions to prevent employee exposure to atmospheres containing less than 19.5% oxygen and other hazardous atmospheres. These precautions may include providing proper respiratory protection or forced ventilation of the workspace. Make sure that employees required to wear respirators are trained, fit tested, and enrolled in the respiratory protection program. Make sure when working inside excavation you and your team follow these procedures to ensure the excavation is safe. Visit our channel for more Toolbox Talk and other safety topics. See you next week for another Toolbox Talk. Bye bye. And always stay safe.